We interrupt this regularly scheduled program to bring you all a special news bulletin. That's right, the Crusader is finally back. And I've got a serious announcement that I need to make for all the people who purchased my workshops or are thinking about purchasing a workshop. It has come to my attention, I've seen in the comments, people have contacted me on Skype, people have contacted me through email saying that they have purchased a workshop from the Crusader Cave and they did not receive the download link. Now, this is something I want to make a video dedicated 100% to because I'm very upset when I see stuff like that because that means that Spring is dropping the ball. Now, when I've contacted Spring, and trust me, I've contacted them a lot because when this happens, it pisses me off because it's like they had one job to do. All they tell me is the people have to go through Spring. You can't go through me to resolve it. And I know that's not what a lot of you guys want to hear. I know you guys are like, what the hell, aren't you the seller? Well, when it comes to Spring, technically you're buying the item from Spring. Now, I know you guys are probably like, why don't you just sell it to us direct? Well, I'll tell you why, because in order for me to automate this so I have time to do other things and not fill orders all day, every day, I need to have it automated. And in a way of protecting me from chargebacks, Spring is very good at that. You can't, like if you try to charge back with Spring on a digital good, they don't let you do it. And I mean, let's face it, the credit world, you got a lot of people who know about that kind of stuff, and the workshops, they're not cheap. And all it would take are people to just, I'll just get it and charge back, and then I get the workshop for free. So in order to protect me from that, I've got to use them. Now, if you've purchased a workshop and you didn't get it for whatever reason, I'm going to leave a link in the description, detailed instructions. This is what Spring has told me to do if someone comes and says that they didn't get the workshop. I hope if this happens again that people will see this video and then know what to do. You either need to contact them through email, which is provided in the description, or you need to contact them through the chat thing. If you sign up with a Spring account or Teespring account, they have a little chat window where you can send a message and a representative will then go and help you. I can't help people with this because I'll tell you why. Spring doesn't tell me who bought the workshop. They just show sale. Like, I can't tell if someone actually bought the workshop, and there'd be nothing to stop people from just saying they bought the workshop, and then I'm like, no way of verifying it, so I just send them a workshop for free. So I can't be doing that. Also, Spring won't tell me why this is happening. They're not saying whether or not it's somebody trying to do a chargeback. They're not saying if it's something on their end. They're just like, if this happens, contact Spring. Tell them to contact Spring. Tell them to contact Spring. So that is what I'm doing right now, is letting you guys all know, if for any reason, if you buy a workshop and you didn't get the download link, you got to contact Spring and they'll take care of you. Now, if they don't take care of you, then you go to the Crusader and then I get up in that ass. All right? Fair? Now, I'm definitely got to add some content, some good actual content in this video because it's been a while since I made a video. So what I'm going to do right now is let you guys know a little tidbit of information about getting a business credit card. Ooh, I bet you guys are like, shit, Crusader, you haven't talked about business credit ever. That's right, and that's definitely something I'm going to be getting into in the Credit Crusader Season 3, because the Season 3 is coming up in about a couple of months. Now, when it comes to business credit, if you're trying to get a business credit card, the first thing you're going to need to do is obviously have a business. Second thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have a business bank account with the bank that you're trying to get the business card from. So if you're trying to get a business card, credit card from Bank of America, you need a Bank of America business bank account. Trying to get it from Wells Fargo, the Wells Fargo bank account. Regions bank account. Whatever bank that you're trying to get the credit card with, you've got to have a bank account with them. And then the next thing what you need to do, especially if your business is new and you're trying to just get a jump start and get an actual real card, you need to put about, I don't know, I'd say about 10 grand, minimum 5 grand into that business account. Because if you go and have that money in that account when you go to apply for the credit card, they're going to say, all right, well, they were able to get this money somehow, some way, so your chances of getting approved are going to be a lot higher, as long as you got that cash sitting there. Now, after you get approved, You can take the cash out. That don't matter after that. After that, that's here nor there. But it's got to be in there when you apply for the credit card because it will increase your chances of getting approved. That's just a little secret you'll learn from the Crusader. Now, I got to get going because I'd like to make a few more videos before Christmas hits. I've got a special video coming out that I'm going to be sending gifts to all my Crusader crew members in the very near future. So watch out for it. And as always, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Crusader out.